Alright, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the windshield wiper blades on your LS430. Now, if you're anything like me, the first thing you might be wondering is how do you get the arms up? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that in a second, but the first thing you need to know are the wiper blade sizes. So on this car, the passenger side is smaller than the driver's side. So the sizes you'll need are 16-inch and 24-inch. Me, I just got these Rain-X weather beaters off Amazon because they were stupid cheap. And moving on to the show. So the first thing you want to do is get the arms in a serviceable position. Now, full disclosure, I don't know whether this is the proper way to do this, but there was nothing in the manual, and this is the best thing that I could come up with. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to turn the car in the on position, and we're going to turn on the windshield wipers and then turn the car off while the wiper blades are up. So first, car's on, windshield wipers on, turn it off real quick. Yep. All right, so this next part is not going to be all that easy if it's been a little bit of time since you changed your blades. So your fingers might get a little chewed up, but I don't recommend wearing gloves. All right, so behind here, there is a tab underneath this, but the arms don't articulate and stay up like normal cars. So you have to use one hand to hold this up, and then you got to fish around for the tab. Unfortunately, I can't show it to you, but it's right in here. Just feel in here, right there. There's a little tab. So you want to push that down and then push or pull the wiper blade in the downward position going down the arm. Now, if you want to push the tab down, push it down a little bit. Once you feel it start to budge, you can let go of the tab because it kind of stays in place, and then just gently work it down. There we go. All right, once you get the blade off, go ahead and put something down soft so you don't damage your windshield. To put it on is basically the same way in reverse. You have this little articulating piece here. You want to line it up properly with the J hook and just slide it up in there until it snaps. There we go. Now, ideally, you want to clean the windshield before you do this. Mine is fairly clean. We just washed the car a few days ago. All right, and the passenger side is the same, but it's a little easier. It's a lot easier, actually, mainly because you can flip the thing up. You can easily see the tab. For whatever reason, the tab on the passenger side is way bigger than the one on the driver's side. I just want you to see the tab. Here it is, sticking out and obvious as the sun is. So you just push this down and do the same as the driver's side. Push it down. I can almost do this with one hand. No, I can't. Push it in. Work it down. Came right off. Cloth. And the new one. Notice I didn't even bother moving this. And there you have it. And now we just let it down. And there you have it. One thing I forgot to mention is you're definitely going to need a rag so that you don't crack or damage your windshield. So get a soft microfiber towel to lay underneath the wiper arm after you take the blade off. Hopefully this was helpful, and I will see you guys next video.